Hi, my name is Ashley Brockhouse, and I'm going to be a sophomore this year at MSU, and I'm majoring in psychology. I wanted to major in psychology because I not only find the way the mind works and the way people think very interesting, but I also wanted to help people directly who struggle with mental illnesses and addictions. I don't have a decided minor as of yet, but I would really like to minor in either English or criminal justice. I have lived in Mankato my entire life, and my mom actually graduated from MSU as well with a business management and marketing degree. And my dad graduated from South Central College in Mankato, where he pursued a career in the culinary arts. I have one younger brother. His name's Jacob. He will be in 10th grade this year, and he hasn't decided a major yet, but I know he really likes computers, so he'll probably do something in that. This summer I'm working 2 jobs in Mankato to save up for a car, which hopefully I can get by the end of the summer. And one thing I'm really excited to do this summer is visit my friend who is attending Grinnell College in Iowa. She has spent the entirety of her summer researching the effects of Pokemon Go on people who aren't normally active in their day-to-day lives, which I think is very interesting. And I haven't seen her in a long time, so it'll be fun to go and see her again. Some of my favorite things to do in my free time are drawing, journaling, and listening to music. I find drawing and journaling really therapeutic when I'm stressed, and music has just always been a fun thing for me to listen to. I'm taking public speaking because speaking in public is one thing I really struggle with, and if I try to earn a degree in psychology, that's something I need to obtain in order to be successful. So that's just a little about me. I hope you enjoyed.